Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities for ITI graduates so they can make the best use of this. So kindly don't skip and keep on watching, and if you are coming under BE Tech category means kindly skip this video. So Southeastern Central Railway is now opting or providing job opportunities for ITI graduates in a contract basis. So if you are willing to join and make the use of it means you can go through it. So now they have released an advertisement regarding engagement of Act Apprenticeship under Apprenticeship Act. So it's an online application can be applied through their website between 25/4 to 24/5/2022 till night 24 hours are invited, and eligible candidates for applying this. So who name of the posts available is like welder, turner, fitter, electrician, stenographer, computer operator, mechanic, auto, electrical and electronics component, mechanic, refrigeration and air conditioner, mechanic, diesel and machinist. So regarding Wagon repair shop like fitter, welder, machinist, turner, electrician. So bulk recruitment is given here. See the numbers, almost 135 here and 276 there. So those who are coming under ITI category can make the best use of it. So education qualification is you must be passed 10th passed out, and you must have ITI course with you, and age limit is the candidate should be completed 15 years of age and should not have completed 24 years of age as on 1/7/2022. So if you are coming under whichever category, you must be born between these two dates which is given here. Kindly adhere to it. And regarding next medical examination will be given, candidate have to follow and provide the certificate, and it's purely contract basis and it's not a permanent job. If you're ex-serviceman means you'll be given a better opportunity, and after accepting you should join, and you should not delay in joining. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to ITI graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.